How to fix SIM card manager not showing in settings. So if you want to fix your SIM card manager not showing in settings, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application, go with about phone, which will be in the top, and then you need to go with your version. Tap on it, and if you have any system updates, it will ask you to update. Or you can also check for updates. You can go with check for updates, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to check for any updates. If no updates available, then it's okay. But if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to go back, and here you need to go with search, and you need to search for reset. After searching for reset, you will find reset all settings, or reset Wi-Fi, mobile, network, and Bluetooth. Go with reset settings, which will be on the bottom. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your control center and turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, and then again turn it off. And in this way, you'll be able to fix your SIM card manager not showing in your settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.